Welcome to a mesmerizing journey through nature's beauty. Our first stop is a serene, sun kissed meadow. Golden sunlight dances on a sea of wildflowers. The gentle breeze whispers through tall, swaying grass. A crystal clear stream meanders through the meadow. Its waters reflect the vibrant blue of the sky. Let's venture into the heart of a dense forest. Sunlight filters through a lush canopy of leaves. A symphony of bird songs fills the air. Moss covered rocks glisten beside a tranquil brook. Cascading waterfalls create a mesmerizing spectacle. Moving onto a pristine, sandy shoreline. Waves scares the shore in a rhythmic dance. Seagulls soared gracefully against the azure sky. Coral reefs teem with vibrant marine life below. Towering mountains loom in the distance. Snow-capped peaks touch the heavens. Hiking trails lead to breathtaking wastes. A straight night reveals the Milky Way's brilliance. The northern lights paint the sky with colors. Rolling hills are painted in shades of green. A patchwork quiet of farmlands stretches far. A brilliant rainbow arcs over a quiet valley. The setting sun ignites the horizon in fairy hues. Nature's beauty is a gift meant to be cherished. Snow-capped peaks touch the heavens. Moving on to a pristine, sandy shoreline, waves skirts the shore in a rhythmic dance. Hiking trails lead to breathtaking vistas. Nature's beauty is a gift meant to be cherished. Experience the wonder of these scenes captured in all their splendor. Enjoy the beauty that our world has to offer. A patchwork quilt of farmland stretches very far. Thanks for watching this video.